Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. The flowers that we offer to God are usually thrown here and there, or they end up in the river waters. So this is not really good for our earth. So I decided to create these incense cones using the sacred flowers. These flowers can also be converted into fertilizer, but that would be another video. So for these cones, all you need to do is pluck out the petals and allow them to dry off in the sun till they are dried. I have also added some orange peels. Once these dry off, I ground them into a fine powder, and I also used this jhuna, which is the salary resin, which is easily available in any shop selling items for puja. So I am going to crush it a little bit so that it forms this kind of fine powder, and I am going to use a little bit of this also along with the marigold petals and orange peel powder. Also I am going to add some camphor to it. So adding all these things will help the incense cone to burn easily. Once I have mixed up all of these, all you need to do is take a little bit of ghee. It can be around, like for this quantity I am going to use around half a spoon of ghee, and I am going to mix it in this powder, and this ghee will act as a binding agent, and simply mix it till the ghee gets properly distributed in this powder. And once that is done, you will see that the powder has started to stick to each other, and you can add a little bit of water and you can make it into a paste kind of consistency, and it should be sticking to each other, otherwise the cone will not form properly. So in this manner you can press and see. Once it starts sticking, that is the end point. So for the cone I have used a piece of paper. It's a hard paper, and I made the cone shape, and I tied a piece of sellotape and I cut off the top. Then filling up this mixture inside the cone, press it down firmly so that the cone is formed properly. Now you can simply fill this and leave this to dry off, or if you want to reuse it, you can reuse it immediately also, but you have to press it properly so that the cone does not break off. You can make the cone in this simple manner, or if you want, you can give it a hole at the center. Then this cone can be used as a backflow incense cone. And then after opening, you can see that the cone has been formed. If you press it firmly, the cone will be easily formed, but make sure you don't add too much of water. And once the cone is formed, all you need to do is keep it in the sun until it dries off completely. So in this manner I am going to keep it out in the sun till the cone becomes fully dry, because even if a little bit of moisture is there, it will not burn properly. So once the cone is dry, you can use it as such, or if you want, you can also add some essential oil of your choice. You can add rose oil, you can add lavender oil or sandalwood oil if you want it to have a good fragrance. And then all you need to do is leave it for a day and then use it as the incense cone. It will get burnt easily because of all the ingredients that we have added, and because of the salary resin, the jhuna, it's going to give a lot of smoke also. So in this manner, the sacred flowers can be used to create these incense cones. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.